TouchAir Control can operate 1 to 20 fans. First, you'll need to select the fans you wish to operate. Select All, None, or individually select each fan by pressing its assigned number. Then, toggle the fans to On and enter the fan speed you wish these fans to spin at. Then press Enter to confirm your settings. To operate the fans in reverse, use the same functionality. Select the fans you wish to operate, toggle the fans on, toggle the fans to reverse, then select the speed at which you want to spin the fans. Press Enter to confirm your selection. If your fan includes a light, the same method can be applied to adjusting the light speed. Identify which fans you wish to navigate to, enter the brightness level you wish to achieve, toggle the light to on, and select Enter. The TouchAir Control also allows you to see real-time data for each fan in operation. The fan numbers run across the top of the screen and identify the fan by number. You can see many things for each fan just by pressing the Fan Data button. Press the Fan Control button to return to the home screen. The Reset button will flash red if your fan has a fault. Press the Fault button, then navigate to the individual fan to see what the fault is. Use the page buttons in the bottom right-hand corner to navigate to each fan. Press the Fan Control button to return to the home screen.